Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix Google Drive download failed issue. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Now check your internet connection carefully because weak or unstable internet is the most common reason for download failure. Now open your App Store or Play Store. This is where we check if Google Drive needs an update. An outdated app can also cause download errors. Now tap on the search bar at the top or bottom of the screen. Search for Google Drive carefully. This will take you directly to the app page. Now you will see the Google Drive app page. If there is an update option in blue, tap on it. Updating fixes bugs and download issues automatically in many cases. If the issue is still not fixed, restart your phone once. This refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches. After restarting, try downloading the file again from Google Drive. And that's how you can fix Google Drive download failed issue step by step. Most of the time, updating the app and checking internet solves the problem easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more helpful tech fixes.